All right. Well, thank you all for joining Prequel Open House. I'm so excited to be joined by Corey, who is an alumni, and he's going to be sharing a little bit about his journey at Prequel. I'm Neha. I'm the head of admissions at Prequel, and my role is to scout ambitious teens and help them build their masterpiece project at Prequel and help them get into their dream school. So a little bit about my background. I've had the opportunity to speak to students at Berkeley, NYU, and have a lot of my thoughts published in media publications such as Business Insider, the Wall Street Journal, and the Globe and Mail. So I'm a certified coach, public speaker, and media source, and super excited to be joined by you all. And hopefully we get a chance to have a one-on-one consult or interview soon after this presentation. I'll hand it over to Corey to share a little bit about himself.
Hello, I'm Corey Bookman. I'm a current senior in high school and I'm going to the University of Chicago. I've spent the last few years at Prequel doing my personal project, and it has helped me transform not just my college application, but also my personal skills and my personal portfolio.
Thank you, Corey. Can you tell us a little bit about your project?
Of course. So my project is a public speaking platform. Basically, it's a combination of public speaking and AI. You create a presentation if you want to get better at presenting. You can present and record yourself, and then you submit it to this AI, and it gives you feedback on the presentation itself, like the content and what's in it, if it's good enough, and also on your own presenting abilities, if you're speaking fast enough, if you're speaking too loud, if you're speaking too quiet, things like this. And this helped me get into the University of Chicago on a full scholarship.
Congratulations, that's so exciting. And I'd love to learn a little bit about how building Pressify landed you a spot at University of Chicago.
Yeah, of course. So in the admission pools these days, it's very hard to stand out. But having a project to work on is something that definitely helps a lot. Um, it helped. This project was something that I poured months and months of my time into, and I was able to see tangible results, both um, with people using my product, with winning competitions because of this. And as a result, I was able to put all these things on my application. I was able to stand out for the University of Chicago, and overall just make my application stand out from the rest of the pile.
Amazing. I know that that was your top choice and you got an early decision, right?
Yes, yes, I did.
Okay, very cool. So for everyone in the room, just to let you know what Prequel is all about, we bring together ambitious high school students and train them to build world-class projects that stand out to admissions officers at competitive colleges. And the average Ivy League applicant has a 1500 SAT score, 3.9 GPA. They're part of over 10 clubs, over 3 sports, and over 100 hours of volunteering. So they've got a lot going for them with glowing letters of recommendation, and yet only a 4% average acceptance rate. Let us know in the chat if that surprises you at all. So when we break that down, applications start to blend together, right? So there's approximately 35,000 seniors that graduate as valedictorians. Over 1 million seniors volunteer every year. 200,000 plus students participate in FBLA. I know that Corey is actually his state chapter lead. And then over 1 million or almost 2 million seniors play on a school or community sports team. So admissions officers read application after application that kind of looks the same after a while. So being well-rounded is not the same as standing out. And top colleges want a well-rounded class, not just well-rounded individuals. So this is all table stakes. And it's just the price of entry to compete, but you have to bring something different to the table to really stand out. And what we found is that a masterpiece project is a must-have for top universities. So solid academics and a solid SAT score is table stakes, and a masterpiece project can give you a 75% chance of actually getting accepted, particularly for an Ivy League college. Corey, I wanted to ask, how did Prequel help you develop a masterpiece project that stood out, and what kind of support did you get from the team in putting that application together or exploring college prospects?
So first, I first joined Prequel in the start of my sophomore summer. Like at the end of my sophomore summer, I joined Prequel and I started working on a project until about my the end of my junior year. And at the beginning, I had no idea what I wanted to do, but with the help of the advisors, they helped me realize like what area I wanted to go into because I had a clear passion for public speaking. I always at FBLA I would always choose speaking events, and so I had a passion for public speaking and helping other people improve their own public speaking abilities. And so I was able to turn this into a project, combining AI with it, which something that may shock you through the mentorship at Prequel. I have no idea how to code, so it may be shocking that creating an AI based project is like possible, but through the mentorship, even though I had no coding experience, I was able to create an AI based project that really was quite successful.
That's amazing. So you taught yourself a lot, and you had that guidance to really help you take the next step and overcome obstacles and actually develop a technical tool. How did you balance work with your project or schoolwork with your project?
So schoolwork, my school is a school that offers quite a bit of homework, so it was tough at times, but I mainly had to cut out a lot of the things I enjoyed, like video games. I would always limit myself and I'd always focus on first doing schoolwork and then B, I'd always have the passion to work on my project and actually achieve and create this thing instead of doing playing video games or doing other distractions. So I mainly focused on managing my time just by cutting out distractions and things that didn't really benefit me in any way.
I love that. So it sounds like the program helped you develop a lot of discipline and have more focus, which I think it's important to note there's a lot of accountability baked in to the program that I'll walk through in a minute. And I see a few other questions that we'll get to. So just to continue on our flow here. So top colleges are looking for students that are going to change the world in some way and contribute meaningfully to their campus and beyond. And the best way to prove that in your college application is by demonstrating world-class achievement in a specific area. So doing something outside of your school walls that has real-world impact, such as a masterpiece project, is really how you stand out and get into top tier institutions. And we're really proud to say that 80% of Prequel alumni attend T20 schools in the US and T10 schools in the UK and Canada. So I wanted to share a few stories of other alumni that have gone through the program. And we have one more example here of Maddie, who's created a sold out off-Broadway teen musical. So there's a lot of variety in the types of projects. It could be that you start a nonprofit or you get thousands of signatures for a petition. So it's not necessarily that you start a business, but in the majority of cases, we do see that a lot of students decide to apply their entrepreneurial thinking to develop a business. And the way that students are able to achieve such success is by developing core skills in business and entrepreneurship, audience and distribution, as well as having an AI first approach. Corey, I'd love to learn a little bit about the skills that you learned throughout Prequel and how you're applying them beyond your masterpiece project.
Of course. So I think the first skill I learned at Prequel was confidence. And basically the first okay, here I'm gonna tell a quick story if that's okay.
Yeah.
The one of the first sessions I had with Prequel, we were given a simple task. There was a bunch of goofy prompts like tell a call a local McDonald's to try to get a signature of the manager, or call your local movie theater and try to create your own movie that can go on to that movie theater. And it was a bunch of silly prompts, but the goal was we were calling these people and asking for outrageous things, and more often than not, we were all told no. We asked these super embarrassing questions and went out of our comfort zones to gain this confidence and to learn that rejection isn't that scary. That's one of the first things I learned at Prequel, and it's helped me ever since. It's taught me like it's given me the confidence to reach out to people to truly like sell myself and not be scared of failing. And that's one of the most valuable skills that Prequels taught me, and I've been applying that literally today. I emailed about a dozen people recently because to try and get a summer internship with contacts I know, and doing Zoom calls. And without Prequel, I would have been scared to even just talk to these people, to even sell myself. But now that I've learned that, I'm much more confident than I was before.
I love that. Yeah, I do think a lot of students develop immense confidence and really learn to put themselves out there, especially with building their network and mastering outreach, whether that's to acquire more customers or to get funding through pitching to investors. Or maybe even developing relationships to, co-create something with other students. But I would like to mention that every project is an independent project. So every student is in charge of developing their own masterpiece, and that's what really helps them with the college application. And in terms of the program timeline, so our summer cohort kicks off June 10th, and students go through 3 months of Prequel Foundations, where they'll get to meet a college advisor and get a personalized college roadmap. They'll also dive into research. So I saw that there was a question around how do students decide what project to work on? Does Prequel suggest projects? So while the mentors have a lot of great knowledge and can probably guide or help ideate, it's really up to the student to pick a direction. And what we do during the initial 3 months is developing that foundation. So we'll teach them how to do market research and seize opportunities in the market and align that with their passion. So we're helping students develop an inventory of their skills, an inventory of their passions, and connecting that to what the world needs and what they can get paid for, what's going to stand out, what's going to make an impact. So we teach them those research skills and prompt them to develop that idea. And then they'll go ahead and build their project minimum viable product and validate and refine the idea. So taking it to market, getting their first wins. So that could be 1,000 customers or $1,000 in revenue. So I know that Corey, for example, achieved that milestone. And then it could even be fundraising. So maybe $1,000 in funding, maybe even more. And then come September, students get to scale their project and build a fully monetized masterpiece. They'll grow their audience and influence and develop deep expertise and subject matter expertise, I should say, and developing unique insights all before they graduate high school. and they'll master skills to build and scale any future project. So just as Corey was sharing that he's developed this newfound confidence and he's tested out, how to actually approach and do outreach to grow his network or to solve problems that are going to help him overcome challenges in building his app. Those are some of the unique skills that students develop and add to their arsenal.
So first, I would like to sort of echo what you just said. I started Prequel in my June, like at the very beginning of my junior year, end of my sophomore summer. But if I started as a freshman or as a sophomore, I would have been so much more successful. I really wish I did it, and just to see where I ended up and what how far my project really went. But as for advice, I think you should truly focus on an area that you're passionate in. Um, for me, this was business, and I had to relate business and public speaking. I did this through my project. But by focusing on this area in areas like FBLA, other business competitions, business summer programs, I was able to show the officers that I had a passion in this area.
Alrighty. Well, thank you all for joining Prequel Open House, and a big thank you to Corey, and congratulations on getting accepted to University of Chicago. Thanks again, Corey, and thank you all for your questions. Really looking forward to connecting